Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we are going to look at a very important notification from CEE Kerala related to updating your NEET score in the website. Now, what should I do? Submit online your NEET 2021 result details to the Commissioner for Entrance Examinations for preparing the state rank list. Now, who should submit the score? Candidates who are opting for admission to medical courses and allied courses. Now, medical courses are like MBBS, BDS, Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Siddha, and Unani, and allied courses such as agriculture, forestry, veterinary, and fisheries. If you are opting for admission to any of these courses, you should submit the NEET score. Now, some of you might ask, can I apply now? I have not applied before to Kerala. I forgot, I missed the notification earlier. Can I apply now? Is the window open? As of now, the window is not open. Only candidates who have already submitted the application for medical and medical allied courses under KEAM 2021, they can submit their score now. Of course, those who have cleared the NEET exam, they need to submit the score now. When can you do it? The facility or the window for submission of the details will be open from 18th November 2021, and it will be available until 5 p.m. on 24th November 2021. Okay, so don't forget, it will be open for about a week from 18th November to 24th November, and it closes at 5 p.m. on 24th November 2021. Okay, so don't forget it. In case any of your friends have applied to Kerala, please share this information because some of them may not have noticed this particular instruction from CEE Kerala. Now, how do you submit it? What are the steps involved in submitting the NEET score? Step one, of course, you need to go to the website cee.kerala.gov.in. And once you go there, the first item, the first link in the description, there will be many links. The first link, you will see that KEAM 2021 candidate portal. Click that link. That will take you to the login page. In the login page, provide the KEAM 2021 application number. Okay, not the NEET application number, KEAM application number and the password and login. And once you log in, you will be taken to the home page of the candidate. And there you will see one of the menu items like NEET result submission. So click that, and then you need to provide 3 information related to NEET 2021. One, you need to provide the NEET roll number. You need to provide the NEET application number. You need to provide the date of birth as you have given in the NEET application. So once you enter these details, the screen will show you some of these details, and you need to verify the details shown on the screen with your NEET scorecard. Make sure that the details shown in the screen is matching exactly with your NEET scorecard. And once you have checked that, and once you have verified, and if you find the details are correct, then click verified and submit. Okay, what you need to do? You need to click verified and submit. Please remember, unless and until you click this button, the process is not complete. So the procedure of submission of NEET result will be complete only when you click the verified and submit button. So properly verify that and then click the button. And once you submit that, take a printout of the NEET result submission report and keep it for your future reference. Now, these are the information that you need to know. And again, some of you may ask this kind of question. What happens if I do not submit the NEET score? Okay, please remember, if you do not submit your NEET score within the stipulated time, that is within 24th November 5 p.m., you will not be considered for preparation of rank list. That means you are not eligible for participating in the counseling. So it is very important to update the NEET score So please share it with your friends who have applied to Kerala. Thank you very much. I see you soon in some other video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.